What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great morning and weekend so far. And welcome back to this new video on Cardano. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I know there's quite a lot of ADA holders under you, and I also think just in general for the traders under you, I also think there's quite a lot of opportunities here for Cardano. So that's why I wanted to make a video on that. We'll go over all of the fundamentals I think you need to know about, and we'll just dive into the technicals. So the technicals right now are really the, I would not say the most important part, but I do think the most difficult part, especially for Cardano, since, you know, the situation for Cardano, but also for example, Matic and Solana right now is pretty difficult. Because we obviously had a lot of bearish fundamentals and bearish confirmations fundamentally last month. So it's hard to say whether we can actually recover back to those levels. It seems not. It seems unlikely. I mean, it has changed like the outlook and the value of Cardano, for example, I think. But if we then take a look at the network statistics, you can actually see that those have been going up again. And right now they're at the levels we were at like a month ago. So that's very, very good. I mean, if you take a look at the last 6 months, you can see that Cardano is still technically in some sort of an uptrend at least. So yeah, that would indicate that we can actually get back to those levels. But let's focus on the short term for now. On the short term, we found resistance at a strong resistance level with the 0.5 FIB and that 30 cents level. So what's going to happen is I think we're going to get some bearish momentum. It also looks like Bitcoin will retrace a little bit more, which we should know about because obviously there's a correlation between Cardano and Bitcoin. So I do expect us to drop down, but then the interesting part comes. I think there's this very strong support between 28.5 cents and 28 cents. We have several EMAs there. We got the 0.5 FIB of this recent move up. We got the break retest of the 0.5 FIB of this move down. So there's a lot of support there. The one thing that worries me a bit is that in the weekend, as most of you know, volume drops down. So then levels like those and indicators just in general don't work that well. We still have a lot. I mean, just under there at around 28 cents, we also have the 0.5 FIB. So in general, I think it's a great level to go long from. Personally, I'm staying out of trading a bit for this for this weekend at least, and then Monday we'll see again. But I do think on paper this should work, right? Finding support here, and then that will kind of consolidate between 28 cents and 30 cents, and then it does depend largely on Bitcoin. But I do think Bitcoin can get another leg up at some point of time. And in general, like I said, I also feel like Cardano has oversold itself, or has been oversold a little bit when all of the bearish news came out. So I do think at this point of time that after getting some sort of a consolidation between 28 cents and 30.5 cents, I do think it's most likely that we'll break above 30 cents at some point and get up to this next resistance level around 32 and 32.5 cents. I do think that's the most likely scenario. Now I have to say, like I said, I mean, I expect us to drop right now. I do expect us to find support as well at this area. But if, for example, we find support here and Bitcoin all of a sudden, which I don't expect, but it could happen, and Bitcoin all of a sudden drops down to 28,700, like down to the 302 FIB, then this is probably not going to hold. And then Cardano will probably drop all the way down to this 27 cents level. So let's hope that doesn't happen. It's a possibility, like I said. I mean, I just wanted to notify you about it, but I don't think it's likely. Like I said, just to summarize it all, I think it's likely that we'll fall down here, find some support at 28.5 cents, then some support at 28 cents, then from there get back up to 30 cents, and at some point of time break above that and get towards 32.5 cents. So that's my full update on Cardano. For now, go enjoy your weekend. Take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.